Hi everyone, today I have something here that is super exciting, and that is the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro. And this camera has a lot of stuff in it that I've been asking for on a GoPro camera for a very long time. So without further ado, let's open up this box and see what they've sent me. And right off the bat, we've got the Mission 1 Pro itself right here. And we can see it has 8K 60 frames per second recording, 8K open gate, 4K 240 frames per second slow motion, or up to 960 frames per second 32 times slow motion at 1080p. That is really impressive. Should be able to get some really cool shots using that. And let's see some other things. Oh, it's waterproof all the way down to 66 feet without a dive case. That is very cool. This thing should be super rugged, very waterproof, up to a 5-hour long battery life. You've got 50 megapixel still photos that you can shoot in RAW. And of course, this thing should be great in low light. You've got that brand new processor in it, and you've got the 1-inch sensor. So altogether, in theory, this should be miles ahead of every other action camera out there right now. And I am really excited to test it out. But we're going to set it aside for now and take a look at what else is in the box. We've got magnetic latch mount because it's got the same mount as previous GoPro cameras, which is a magnetic mount that it can also use a 1/4-inch screw mount, and also has, you know, the fingers, the GoPro fingers. So it has a lot of mounting options. This is the best action camera mounting system, really the best camera mounting system I think there is. It's one of the reasons I really like shooting with GoPros, is because it's really easy to attach them to various things. And this magnetic quick latch is definitely nice. It's very, very solid the way it's designed. Anyway, on to the next thing here. We've got a multi-battery charger, and these this camera is compatible with older GoPro batteries, but it comes with this Enduro 2 battery, which is why you get some extra battery life, and that is actually noticeably heavier just right off the bat to other GoPros, so that should give you quite a bit of extra runtime. But again, you can use your old batteries with this camera, which is cool. And this is a nice 2 battery charger here, USB-C. Yeah, that's pretty nice. We'll take a quick look at the battery here. Enduro 2. Yep, pretty good. Okay. Now they have also sent me a memory card, which I very much appreciate. Makes things easier. A card here. There's GoPro on it. Got a QR code on the back. A bunch of black and white confetti, and a case inside of the confetti. Now this is a cage that holds the camera in, and so you can use it more like a regular handheld camera. It gives you a grip, and that's really nice to have. I like shooting with action cameras this way, actually. You've got this lever on top which presses down to trigger the button, and you've got a cold shoe mount right here. And actually, this bit can be taken off like that. You can pop it back on. It feels pretty solid. And you put the camera into there like that. The cage itself here is metal. This part is plastic. But yeah, that feels pretty good. There's a reason these things have gotten really popular. They are an excellent accessory to have if you're filming with a action camera, more like a regular camera, or using it to take photos. It just adds a lot of utility. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And that's everything in the box. So let's get the Mission 1 Pro itself out and take a look. Let's see. Open on the bottom here. And inside, here we go. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Huh, I hope this thing doesn't have to be activated to be used. We'll have to see. I'll have to actually... This might... Okay, I am going to using this prior to launch, so I'm not sure how much of this is actually final. Here we have some instructions in here. How to use the lens hood and everything. Like that. Let's see. Stickers. Pro tips for the best cold weather performance. And a manual. Important product and safety instructions. Oh, okay, that's just safety stuff. Okay, set it aside. Got a power cable, USB-C. Got another battery in there. It comes packaged with a battery, so that's good. You have your usual... Oh, there's the lens hood. Oh, it's rubberized. That's kind of nice. Yeah, so that'll pop onto the GoPro. Got your usual GoPro finger mounting thing. Those are always useful, and of course, the other parts to that. One of those stick it onto a helmet or something, and the screw, of course. I've got way too large hands for this. Okay. My fingers are large and fat, and I can't easily pull something like that out. Okay. There we go. There's the locking bolt. Okay. I'll just go ahead and stick all that back in for now. Now here's the GoPro Mission 1 Pro itself. And again, it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. Not sure if I like that. I hope they change that for production models. And of course, do not open mic drain door. This is not something that opens. People make that mistake all the time with catastrophic results. Just leave that little hatch alone right there. Go ahead. It says your camera must be updated before you can use it. We're going to take a look and see what happens when I actually power it on, but take a quick look at that. That's a large lens on that guy. Yeah. And it honestly doesn't feel like it's overly large. I was worried it was going to be, bulky, but this is actually not that much outside of the footprint of a regular GoPro. You just have this more bulbous lens element, and honestly, I like that. I like the way that's set up. That thing seems really cool. So we are going to press the power button and see what we get. Oh, I don't have a battery in it. That'll help. Oh boy. I'm glad to have a good solid feel to it. Also, these are new buttons on here. These are much improved buttons. They are part of what allow it to go so far underwater, is that they have improved those. Okay, so select our language right here. Check. Agree. Let's see. I'm going to turn the GPS off for now. I don't want voice control on at the moment. I can turn all that on later. Let's see. Can I just... Okay, so it is going to make me connect to the app. So, since this is, I'm going to have to get the beta app downloaded, I believe, and upgrade the firmware to that. So we can't actually take a look at what the interface looks like right now. Yeah, oh, you can see displayed in there, Mission 1 Pro. So that brings us to the end of this unboxing video. And by the time you're watching this, I should have lots of other content actually available to watch with sample footage and just a lot of different content about this camera. So you can go watch all of that at the end of this video. But I just want to say, I really appreciate that GoPro has kept the form factor small while also dramatically increasing the size of the sensor and really upgrading everything about this camera. There's a lot went into this thing, and I like that they spent some time and did some extra R&D to really make it work. And I really love GoPros from a design standpoint. This mounting system they have here is just the most convenient and versatile there is. Just having those fingers that pop out and allow you to just attach to any standard action camera mounting system. You've got a 1/4 20 thread there, and then the magnetic lat system. So you have the best of everything there, and just in terms of that, these new buttons are great. Okay, I really like, they're much more tactile. Those are going to be much easier to press with gloves on. The new buttons are great, and their design allows the camera to go further underwater than before, which is great. So they've increased the durability and increased the usability in adverse conditions with those buttons. So that's excellent. Of course, you do have, I mean, it must be said that this is much long, the lens does poke out a lot longer, but I actually really like using action cameras with some of the additional lens mods. Like GoPro had their lens mods, all the other action camera manufacturers have lens mods, which all extend the size of the lens. So I'm actually used to shooting with action cameras that have a more bulbous lens element that extends out farther. So this really, to me, doesn't change anything from the Hero 13 in terms of the form factor. So that's just really nice. And let's open that latch up again. I feel like this has been improved here. This feels, that latch on that door feels really nice. They've used a slightly different material, it feels like, for the outside of this. So yeah, well, it definitely still looks like a GoPro. They have certainly made upgrades to every aspect of this, and that's really cool. The only thing I'm going to have to ask them about is whether or not end users will have to update the camera before they use it. I hope that you don't have to actually activate it or anything. I will have to see that. I will leave a note at the end of this video, probably on the screen here right now, telling whether or not you have to activate it or do anything like that. Just because that's kind of a big deal to me. It's one thing I've always loved about GoPros, is the fact that you don't have to upgrade it. If you can just connect it and upgrade the firmware, that's not such a big deal. If it is just a firmware upgrade, that's not a big deal. It's just if you have to bind it to account, I don't want to have to do that. I don't think you should have to bind cameras to account. You don't think you should have to activate a camera. So anyway, I just had to talk about that a little bit, but overall, my first impressions of the design of the GoPro Mission 1 Pro are very positive. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying out all these accessories here. This is, the other accessories are really functional, but this one is interesting. However, it will require, do I have to actually do anything to this to put it in it, or can I just open this up? Oh, okay. Will just slide in? Yeah, okay, so this is an electronic thing, so you don't have to remove the battery door or anything like on some of these cases I've seen. So yeah, there you have it in the camera cage thing here, and that feels pretty good. Yeah, that's definitely something that I think a lot of people are going to like. Okay, anyway, I'll stop yapping and go get this thing activated and actually up and running so I can report back with that. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see y'all again next time. Bye!